Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin breaking out. Everything that we talked about, I didn't get to do a video yesterday. I do apologize about that, guys. I know I've, missed two videos since I started this channel. It's only been 3 or 4 months now. But I had family in town the last couple of weeks, so it's been just hectic. But everything that we've talked about in the previous video all stayed in play. Everything worked out perfect. So yesterday I would have done a video and just told you guys, everything worked out from yesterday's video that I did 2 days ago. So everything would have been the same. I mean, we came up, hit our target on Bitcoin, right at my target. Then we came back down, bounced right off my bounce area that we talked about. Then we skyrocketed. Okay, we had a little bit of trouble here at the 59,600 area, but then eventually blasted off, and now we're hitting our third target here at I had around 61,700 area, and this is kind of where we're getting a little bit of stalling out here, but this is looking really good for continuation, guys. I'm looking for more upside, 63, and maybe the high. Let's see if they try to short it at some point, because I mean, guys, this is I mean, look at this run. Let's go to the daily. And guys, if you guys would have watched my videos from the beginning of my channel, okay, I talked about buying in this area and buying in this area. Perfect. We hit the targets perfect. I said I was going long here. I'm adding to my long position that I already had from when I was buying it, a long time ago. I was just adding to my position, right? Then we talked about the bump and run breaking right here, right around the 42 mark, the bump and run. And now, guys, you got to understand this. I was talking about this move all the way back here in June. I already drew up the bump and run. I drew it all up in June. And then we bounced here perfect. Everything worked out. And I told you guys, if we break this bump and run, you guys can go back and look at the video. We're going to go to all-time highs. Well, we're reaching there now, guys. We're getting there now. Okay? So I predicted this. I started my channel here in, I think it was late May. Yeah, very, very late May when everything dumped and everybody was scared. I started my channel. We started trading all these moves up and down. Then, because we missed this first bot. Actually, you know what? I started it right on this. Was it this day? I think it was this day. Because I remember we missed the bottom because my order wouldn't fill right here because all the for some reason all the platforms were going out at that time when the big crash happened right here. So nothing got filled, and I remember I was upset about that. But we ended up getting all these moves. We traded these moves, and I said we're still not at bottom yet, right? Then we got down to here. We traded this. We actually at the 28, we actually traded it up here. We hit this target perfect, guys. I erased a lot of this line, so you got to understand this is a newer chart. I think I could pull up the old chart. I think I still have it. But we ended up getting out here. Then I said, right here, guys, I'm going long right here again. But this time we're staying in this, and we're going for the bump and run. We got the bump and run, which was right here. I'll show it to you guys. We had it like this from the top here, and we had it going across like this. But I had this bump and run. We had it drawn up all the way back here. Because what I did was I took this spot and this spot, which was 2 touches, and I just drew the line straight across. Everything worked out perfect. Okay, and then I said we're going to all-time highs. Then I drew this bigger triangle just to make sure that we get it. Now, I was still waiting for the pullback in here. I thought we were going to get rejected. I didn't think they were just going to let it go that easy, but they did. The institutions started FOMOing in. But now we're getting this little rejection right here at my rejection point. Oops, I hit the wrong button. And everything on the indicator is really, really high, guys. I mean, you got to understand this run. I mean, this is just from, let's just say from June 20th. Okay. Now look at this run, guys, that Bitcoin went on. 110% run, guys, since then. Now, am I expecting some kind of, like right now, we're getting the pullback right near my area. Am I expecting the pullback? I mean, it should come at some point. This is when I think, depending how hard they pull it back, if this just kind of trades up in the $60,000 range sideways, we could see the alts starting to run again. I mean, we saw some. We're going to go over that. We hit all of our moves, but we're going to go over that. But we could see some more upside to the alts. Okay. But yeah, Bitcoin, I still want to see us get above the 61,700 level and get a 4-hour candle closing above there for more continuation. And I want to see us hold the 5,700 area or 600 area for support. Okay. And if we do get more upside, then I'm looking at 63,700 an all-time high. All right. So Ethereum, guys, I told you guys we were breaking out. First, we called this move right here. Okay. I said, get your popcorn ready. Okay. Then I said, hey, we're getting ready to break out again up in this area. Got the bounce here. Everything we've talked about in my video previously, I mean, you just watch that video and it worked out perfect. So when I was thinking about making a video yesterday, I was thinking, well, I mean, what am I going to say that I didn't already say? I told you guys we were getting ready to break out 2 days ago. We got the breakout. Okay. Now I want to see us get a 4-hour because we're in my zone now. And I want to see us get a 4-hour candle closing above this 3,900. If we do that, then we're going all-time highs. But I think we're going to get there. Let's see if they bring Bitcoin down, like crashing it down. Because I was expecting them to bring it up this area, and then maybe pulling it back pretty hard to scare some people out. So let's see if that plays out like that. But yeah, Ethereum's looking good. Everything's looking good, guys, right now. So I wouldn't be scared yet. So everything's looking good. Now, with that being said, matic, guys, in my video again 2 days ago, we talked about matic. Oh no, that was actually 3 days ago. Because I don't think I mentioned matic 2 days ago because I talked about this 3 days ago when we were breaking out. I said, guys, get ready for matic because it's coming out of this pattern. Okay, we broke out of this pattern. I said my target, if you guys remember, would be $1.44 coming out of this pattern. But it just ripped right through it. Anytime that happens, you can just hold. Then we hit the $1.50, got rejected. Okay. Then we came back up into this purple box area, which I just had the 2 lines here. I had a purple box, but it didn't save, so I just redrew the purple box. Then we came back down, but now we're looking at $1.44 as support. So let's see if that holds on support. If it does, then we'll see more upside in matic, and we'll get to our higher targets. Okay. So that's why I want to see matic $1.44 hold up. If not, $1.35. But I definitely want to see $1.44 hold. If that holds, yeah, we're going to go higher in this move. Okay. So that's matic, guys. And I want to see a 4-hour candle closing. Let's say above this high right here. So above, 163. I would like to see us really, really get above 167 area. Get a 4-hour candle closing above there. Let's see, what do we got here? Use a little bit of that, but I don't know. The 170. I think we're going to go higher in this. I think we're going to touch this up here. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to draw another purple box here, which is right around 185 to 179 area if we do break this. So that would be my targets. Yeah, so that's for matic, guys. Solana, guys, here's the thing with Solana. I drew up a bunch of fibs here. Let me get rid of this one because this one doesn't matter. Let's see this one right here. So I drew up some fibs here. I want to see us hold the 157 area here. But guys, this looks like it's getting ready to break out big time. We came out of this pattern. This is the very top of the move. We came out, we retested, and now I'm waiting for this breakout. I believe Solana is due for the breakout, guys. Okay, this is due for the breakout. It's looking kind of weak right now, and so is Cardano. Even though they look like they're getting ready to break out, so maybe this is just a patient game. As we're seeing Bitcoin exactly as I predicted, starting to go down. Um, let's see what happens. But these are starting to go down now because of Bitcoin. All right. Let's see where they take us here. Let's see where they take us. All right. But yeah, Solana, guys, it's looking like it's just ready to break out. It's looking like it's ready to take off. I'm kind of looking in these areas: 178, 182, 186, and 189. Some of these fibs look pretty good too. This 179 area and the 178 area. So let's see what happens here, guys. But yeah, this is looking like it's prime. I hope it doesn't fall back in because this has been a long time in the making. I mean, this is all the way back here in September. And now it's finally breaking out. So let's see if that breaks out. If not, I want to see the 157 hold. We got to get a 4-hour candle closing above 163. If we do that, then yeah, we could see more upside here. So, but I am looking at Solana. I'm eyeballing that as the next big move because if you go to matic, guys, we crush it on matic. You know about our SHIB move. Our SHIB move is crushed. Now, remember when I tried to redraw this and I tried to do this, guys? So this was my first drawing. Then I said, I don't know, maybe it's like this. Maybe it's, it's the wrong pattern. And then I started looking at it again and I said, you know what? I never redraw anything. Okay, I told you that, guys, in my video. And you know what? Never doing it again. Because our first drawing, when it got rejected, it went downhill bad. Okay? It went down 20%, over 20%. Now, this was a nice bounce area here, and I don't know why. Did I have it? Oh, that's why. Yes, this was my cleaned up chart. Remember, I cleaned up the chart? Dang it, guys. Because I did have this as one of my lines right here at 23.30. Okay, because I remember that. I had 23.30, and I did talk about it in one of my videos. And we did get a bounce there. Now, let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle closing above 26. That would be nice for SHIB. If we do, I still want to break this and get a 4-hour candle closing out of this trend, which we still haven't broke. And then I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above the 3,000 area. Okay, and that's on SHIB. All right. But we did skip Cardano and DOT, so we're going to go to that as well. But let's see, Cardano, we're coming out of our move, guys. Look, this was a big move. We're coming out of this move. It's a real slow builder. It's not like matic where it just exploded. It's kind of doing what Solana's doing, like really slow and laggy. But we should see this move go up. Okay, so keep that in mind. I do want to see the 218 hold up, and I would like to see this. Let's see, we're getting support here at the $2.21 area. So let's see if these areas hold up. Let's do a little fib right here. Let's see. Let's do a little fib from this bottom to this top. Yeah, actually, you know what? You can see it right here. It bounced right off of. Why does it do that? You guys can see my settings that I have on my fib. If you guys want to copy that, just pause it. I'm going to go to the right. I hate how it goes to the left. And I can't see anything. All right. Because, yeah, I think some of you guys asked me for the fib retracement. I forgot to post it. So there you guys go. You got the fib. Let's see here. It does look like we're getting some kind of support right here. So let's see if that holds around the 20 to or $2.20 to $2.21 area. I would like to see that hold, guys, on Cardano. But to the upside, I want to see this area get cleared, the 225 and 227. If that happens, then we're going to be looking back up on my purple box at 237 and 240 area. Okay? So those would be my first targets for Cardano. But that looks like it's getting ready to do a move. Solana looks like it's getting ready to break out. Dot, guys, listen, let me tell you something. Dot's moving, guys. And I told you about Dot going to explode, okay? If it does get past this area here at 43, then I would be looking at this 44, which doesn't sound like a lot, but with Dot, guys, I mean, that's still almost another 4% from here. Better move my alarm up because it's getting ready to go off. So Dot is looking good, guys. So just keep that in mind. Dot's looking good. I think Dot's going to get ready to make another move here. Let's see if that happens. If what I want to see hold up on Dot, guys, if this 39 holds up as good support, which is looking like it is, then yeah, I want to see us break this 43, this previous high, and then I believe 44, 45 is on deck even. Okay, so just keep that in mind, guys. So Dot's still in play for a big move. Shib is looking good. Shib is looking like we're getting a nice bounce here. So let's see if we can make a move on Shib. Let's see what else. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of pulling down. Let's see if we go sideways and get some of these bigger moves that we talked about. I think Ethereum, guys, is just getting started. Ethereum, to me, is going to break all-time highs soon. Yeah, could there be a little bit pullback? Yeah, but to me, this is it's moon time for Ethereum, guys. It's moon time. So yeah, it's moon time for Ethereum. Bitcoin's looking good. Matic, we're just trying to hold that area there. Solana at any moment could absolutely explode. And I think if we do, we should break all-time highs. Could there be some bumpy road in between? Yeah. Could there be some spots where we get rejected? Yeah. But if we can hold this and get a daily candle closing out of here, that's what I'd really like to see. Get a daily candle closing out of this trend. Then, yeah, we could definitely see all-time highs. Let's see if that can happen, though. I would like to see it. This is kind of weak, though. I'd like to see a little bit more strength here. That and Cardano too. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna put my link to Twitter and my link to Webull in the description. I'll do a video later tonight and update everything. But much love to you guys, and peace out.